I'm Jay Tucker with JLT Performance. We make cold air intakes and a few other products, but we just bought a Dynojet so we can get real horsepower numbers on our product to the customer as soon as possible. It takes 8 to 10 weeks to do a mold for a cold air intake, and now we can print one in 24 hours and be on the dyno again. That's going to benefit the company because we can put out a product that's going to make the most horsepower for each one of these cars. We can try it first and then make the molds and not waste a bunch of money. So this particular car, we were able to 3D print a product, test it. If we don't like what we see, now we can go back and make some changes, print another one, and do it before we go ahead and make molds and put it into production. We're going to have realistic power gains that the customer can see when they take their car with our product to a Dynojet facility. When people talk about the other brands of dynos, they always say either they read low or they read high. Dynojet just seems to be the standard.